Here we come to the elevators at Crystal Park Plaza in College Station, Texas. I originally thought for a while these were Dover based on the call button, but according to the records, it turns out this is actually a Montgomery. You're gonna hear one of the best and very loud sounding motors you ever hear. 5. Epic. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. All right, this time we're gonna watch the numbers. The motor is not as loud as it was last time I came here. Count to 1. He's got your Adams fixtures. This is a nice elevator. It's so worth filming. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Here's your fixtures, and there's your phone. How's your day?
It's going well. How about yours?
Oh, yes it is. No, you're fine.
I thought you were talking to somebody.
Oh no. I just like admiring the vintage these elevators as this is pretty much one of the most crystal clear environments I've ever seen. Anyways, but in all seriousness, man, I just like to film elevators for a hobby. You have a great day too. Thank you. All right, we're gonna try to get the other elevator car this time. But yeah, as you can see, these elevators were actually put in 1993, according to the records. The building itself was built, I believe, like in the 80s or something. Like, built in 1984, 86. But it turns out the elevators were like added later on, or actually, I don't know if these are like actually Dover and then replaced with Montgomery. I don't know, or if these were Montgomery for a while. I don't know. My gosh, is that loud? That's not a loud motor. I mean, not as loud as it was before, but still epic sounding motor. This one's got GAL. I hit the door open. Unfortunately, the motor is not as epic as on the left, on the one on the right. I mean, it's got an epic motor, but just the fan. Detailed cavity of this. Look how pristine these are. Phone. I might go for one more ride on the elevator car because I really love the motor on this elevator. I really love the motor on that elevator. And the chime sounds like music to my ears as well. That's how I see it as. Look at this nice lobby. I think someone might be coming on, so here's your GL fixtures. This one's got GL, but the other one got atoms of some sort. This is a neat building. Wow, listen to that motor. You can literally hear across the whole building. You going up, sir?
Yes, sir. Second floor, please.
Absolutely, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day, sir.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. We're gonna go back down to one end the video there. I already took a good amount of rides already. I think it's enough. Anyways, look down the shaft. Wow, you can see a hydraulic. You can see the hydraulic piston, and it has to close. So go back inside. Sorry about that sudden jerk camera movement because the elevators needed to close. Wow, look at this building. Look at this elevator. Crystal Park Plaza. Well, do you honestly think this elevator is crystal enough? And there goes the other elevator car. Trying to look up the shaft. Oh, you can't see up the shaft that well. Shh, I'm moving in a minute. Here we go. both elevator cars in action. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video because I already been recording long enough. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And once this elevator car stops, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.